Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer ETH from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings or just explore more options, this step-by-step process will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. You'll also need some ETH in your Crypto.com account and the Trust Wallet app ready to receive it. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. Here, you'll see all your assets listed, find your ETH balance and tap on it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, in this case, ETH. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Open it, go to your ETH wallet, and tap on the Receive button. This will generate a unique wallet address. Make sure to copy it carefully, as accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Back in Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be Ethereum for ETH. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to approve this through two-factor authentication for added security. Step 3. Sit tight while the transaction processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Trust Wallet and refresh your ETH balance. You should see your transferred funds there. A quick word of advice. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams, and keep an eye on transaction fees to ensure you're not overpaying. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred ETH from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next one.